Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 35. How to find the best questions. In this video, we will take a look at how to find the best questions on Quora, step by step. So let's get started. So on Quora.com, we need to search for keywords in the search bar. Enter your keywords like best hosting and search. Here you can see all the related results. Now from this left panel, you can sort these results by past hour, past day, past week, past month, and past year. Let's select this past month, and now you can see all the past month's queries and answers. Let's open one, and here you can see 2 answers to the question. View the full answer and you can see that they have inserted their link here. You can also add your comments here. Below we have more answers. To write one yourself, click on this top answer button, and here you can write your answer for the query. Back here, we can apply the filter for questions, answers, posts, profiles, etc. Select this answers, and here you can see all the related results. Open the one you like, and here we have 27 answers. Open the first one and see the number of views it received. You can write your answer here as well. Back here, let's open another one, and here we have 100 plus answers. Similarly for another one, we have 73 answers. Let's open more and see the number of answers each one has. And here we can see it is only one answer which gets 112 views for this question. So you can write your answer for this one. Likewise, check for the number of answers in each one and choose the one that gets fewer answers and more number of views. So this is how you can find the best questions on Quora. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 36. How to post best answer. In that video, we will take a look at how to post the best answers on Quora, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.